Let's see. Hey, what up, y'all? Just over here, I got my. I just I received my new little toy that I ordered for these scammers when they call me. Let me know what you think about this. Is this sound funny? Oh, or this one? That must sound wet. On the inside. Oh my God, those beans. She got 4 more. Let's see. Man, that's alright. What? Let me see. Well, what y'all think about my new little toy, my little fart machine sound effects? But I'm gonna be using that when these scammers call me. You know me, I like to clown around and see. Maybe when I do old man Fred, I don't know anybody. But let me know what y'all think about that. Is that a little funny? Hey, but let me know what y'all think about that. Alright then, but y'all have a good day. Have a good one. And I holla at y'all and oh my God, those beats. Hey, but let me know what y'all think about that. Y'all have a good one. Have a good day. I holla at y'all. Alright then, peace.